Hello and welcome to my channel PlanetBio, in which I guide the students of plus 2 standard and NEET aspirants. Okay, today I am going to discuss superclass species, that is all true fishes, all jawed fishes, all aquatic fishes with some differences. Superclass species is further grouped into two classes: chondrichthyes, that is cartilaginous fishes, and another one osteichthyes, that is bony fishes. Now we have to mention or write the characteristic features and classification of these classes, and in addition to that we have to write the biological and common names of the fishes belonging to these classes. Now you listen to me carefully. Superclass species. Superclass species all true fishes, all aquatic fishes, all jawed fishes, excuse me, all true fishes, all aquatic fishes, and all jawed fishes. Now there are certain jawless fishes which come in a specific class, cyclostomata. We would discuss later. First, this superclass species is grouped into two classes. First one is class chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes, you have to write the spelling very clearly. Chondr means cartilaginous, ichthyes means fishes. Cartilaginous fishes. Some people say elasmobranchs. Elasmobranchs. First point. Now, so far as features or characteristics is concerned, cartilaginous endoskeleton. The body framework is made up of cartilages. Cartilages are elastic but firm. Their cells are called chondroblasts. Their matrix is called chondrine, that is a protein, and it helps in easy movement. It helps to form joints as well, cartilages. Cartilaginous endoskeleton. Second one, their mouth is located on the ventral side. Mouth is ventrally located. And the teeth are backwardly projected. Backwardly projected. The teeth are backwardly projected. The body has a specific type of scales, placoid scales. Placoid scales are present. This is a particular type of scales over the body of these fishes, placoid scales. Now, as teeth are backwardly projected, they have the capacity to attack onto the prey. They are predaceous, right? They are predaceous. Now, one question arises: how can you mug up all these points? It has been an Herculean task. It has been a very difficult task. So, first of all, you must note down that cartilaginous fishes are larger in size and they are found in marine water only, salted water only, sea water only, and their number is very low, only 600 species. So we can write further, and these are question making points. The body is larger in size. Then marine in occurrence. Marine in occurrence. They are quite adapted to live in seawater, marine water, salted water. And the number of species estimated to be only 600 species. And the main point is that they have got this kind of cell, this kind of structure. That means the tail is divided into two unequal halves, and that is called heterocircle tail. Heterocircle tail, like this, not equal. So this is how you can identify these animals. Heterocircle tail means the tail, the caudal part is divided into two unequal halves, two caudal lobes, so heterocircle tail. Now one more thing. Swim bladder or air bladder absent. Swim bladder or air bladder absent. So it has to swim all the time to avoid sinking. This is absent. Now, what you have to write and learn first for your board exams, then NEET exam. Heart is two-chambered. Two-chambered means one auricle and one ventricle. One auricle and one ventricle. So you can write 1A plus 1V. One auricle and one ventricle. Now the evolution starts. In amphibia you will find three-chambered. In reptiles also three-chambered heart, except crocodiles and alligators. And then four-chambered hearts you can see in crocodiles, alligators, birds and mammals. So this is how progressive evolution goes on. Now, what about kidneys? Kidneys are mesonephric. Mesonephric means, so far as evolution of kidneys is concerned, Francis Baffer grouped these kidneys on the basis of evolution. Archinephric, pronephric, mesonephric, metanephric. This is medium size, mesonephric. But in their embryos, pronephric kidneys will be found. Pronephric kidneys. So pro develops to form meso, then meso develops to form metanephric. Kidneys mesonephric, and so far as the function is concerned, ureotelic. Ureotelic means these are urea excreting animals. These are like humans from excretory point of view. And if you study the process of excretion by these fishes, kidneys have minor role in excretion. Mainly some specific cells are there, gills are there. These help in excretion. These are actively participating in excretion. There are certain cells, ionocytes, and in bony fishes, ammonotelic. Ammonia is released as ammonium ions with a minor role of kidney. So gill membranes are active there. So these points you have to note down for physiology, animal physiology, that is excretion chapter. Now next point, next point, respiration occurs by gills. Gills, but operculum is absent. Gills are without operculum. Operculum is absent. Operculum means covering. Operculum is absent. So the type of respiration here is brachial respiration. Respiration by gills, but without operculum. No operculum is present there. Next one. Next one you can see unisexual. So far as reproductive system is concerned, unisexual, or you can say dioecious, means sexes are separate, male female are separate, and development is direct. Development is direct. Some members may be oviparous, some may be viviparous, some are said to be ovoviviparous. They can lay eggs and they can produce young ones also. Now, males have a particular structure for copulation, that is claspers, and that's why fertilization is internal. So claspers, male copulatory organ present, and fertilization is internal. Although they are aquatic, but as the males have claspers, the male copulatory organ, so the fertilization is going to be internal. And development is direct, that is without any larva. Eggs develop to form young ones. So this is all about cartilaginous fishes, that is chondrichthyes and elasmobranchs. But the examples you must know, because questions may be asked matching the column type. On one side you have to mention the biological name, on another side you have to mention the common names, sometimes features also. Some specific features are present there. They may have a sting, they may have the capability to provide a big electrical shock, and they are generally attacking in nature. They are larger fishes, marine in occurrence, with heterocircle tail, and the teeth are backwardly projected, so they are attacking. Now we can write the examples as well. In a standard 11 exam, a school exam, you will find that there may be a question like this: differentiate between cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes. So on both the sides, two columns you have to make, and by mentioning the features, you can distinguish between them. So you should have the writing capability, and you should have the presence of mind how to make the answer effective. Quality answers can give you better marks. Now I would write the examples. First example is very prominent. Examples. First example is Scoliodon. Scoliodon, commonly known as dogfish. Then a point comes to our mind that it may be like a dog. No, it has excellent smelling power like a dog, dogfish. And one more thing, it has got a special type of thermoreceptor that is called ampulla of Lorenzini. पता चल जाता है कहाँ पर गर्म है कहाँ पर नरम है. ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है. Scoliodon, dogfish. So dogfish, why? Excellent smelling power. Excellent smelling power like dogs. Now, they have a thermoreceptor named ampulla of Lorenzini. These are some extra points you must note down, because competitive questions have no limitations. During the last 5 years after Corona, some chapters have been removed, and the level of the question is going to be very, very simple. But sometimes you may be asked questions like this, so this is for your knowledge and application. Scoliodon, also called dogfish, and this is due to excellent smelling power. These have and thermoreceptor, that is ampulla of Lorenzini, a specific organ. Similarly, we have another don, Carcharodon. Great white shark, this is the common name. Huge body and very attacking nature. Then we can write torpedo. Torpedo, it has a modified muscular organ which can produce electrical shocks. Torpedo, so-called electric ray. Electric ray. Then comes trigon. It produces stingray. Matching the columns can be asked. Scoliodon, dogfish, Carcharodon, great white shark, torpedo, electric ray, trigon, stingray, and another one is very interesting, pisces, sawfish. As you can find seesaw in children park. So certain specific features are there for these cartilaginous fishes, you must note down. Now we move on to another class, and that is Osteichthyes. Class Osteichthyes. Osti means bony and ichthys means fishes. Ichthyology means a study of fishes. Now you have to keep your concept clear that initially these are cartilaginous. As the time progresses, they become bony. So they have bony endoskeleton later on, in later phase of life. So initially cartilaginous and later in adult phase they become bony. Now how these bony fishes are different from cartilaginous fishes? First occurrence, characteristics. You can find some similarities and dissimilarities as well. Characteristics. First occurrence. They may be found in marine water. They may be found in fresh water like rivers and ponds. They may be found in brackish water. So they are aquatic and can be found in any type of water bodies, salted or non-salted. And that's why the number of species you can see quite different. About 25,000 species can be studied belonging to this class. So huge number is there. Then how can you identify a bony fish? You can identify a bony fish by studying these features. Mouth is generally terminal, not ventral. Terminal means on anterior side. This is the body and you can find here mouth is there. Yes. Mouth. And the tail is divided into two equal halves. Two equal halves. So this condition is called homocircle tail. Tail is homocircle with two equal halves. Tail is homocircle. Now, over the body you can find scales and you can see the scales, but they are not placoid scales. They are cycloid, ctenoid, ganoid